Do you have a great idea for a startup business? Are you someone who's maybe past the idea stage? Are you looking at locations? Are you ready to purchase the equipment that you need for your business? Have you filed your business with the Secretary of State in your state of residence? Do you have a 600 credit score or better? Are you a startup entrepreneur who's serious about starting your own business? Hi guys, I'm Benoit here with Cloud Funding, and today I'd like to go over how we would be able to help your business get money for the equipment you need to run your business and other business expenses. Are you someone who's serious about starting your business? Please stay tuned to this video. Here at Cloud Funding, we are a preferred lender. What that means is we have access to a variety of banks within our network. These are banks that we use to get you the funding, whether it's working capital, a line of credit, or financing for equipment. Here at Cloud Funding, we would love to be able to provide you with the money to buy the equipment to make your business dreams a reality. We would love to provide you with the working capital to run your business successfully, whether it's to make payroll, buy supplies, or anything else. If you need working capital, we can provide it for you. If you're an entrepreneur, a startup entrepreneur, somebody who is passionate about starting that business, somebody who has thought it out, somebody who has taken the steps as far as filing with the Secretary of State, getting a location, getting all your ducks in a row. If you're someone who needs that last final step, the money to get the equipment or the money to run the business, we would love to provide that money for you. We offer a very seamless and simple process to get you the money you need. Here at Cloud Funding, you do not need to have perfect credit to get money to run your business from us. In fact, you don't even have to have good credit. Now, don't get me wrong. The better your credit is, the higher the likelihood is that we can help you. And there is a cutoff. Generally speaking, if you're close to 600 at least, there's a high likelihood we can help you. You don't need to be in the 700s, you don't need to be in the 800s. That would help, obviously, but we can work with you if you're anywhere in the 6s, even below 6s, and sometimes even the high 5s we can help. If you're at a 580, 590, something like that, you still have a shot. We are happy to work with the quote-unquote shaky credit situations. You guys do not have to have perfect credit to get money. Let us go to work for you and let us help your dreams become a reality. Don't accept no for an answer if your credit isn't perfect. And you've been told no at other places, you can give us a call. This is actually a much better way to borrow money because your personal assets will not be collateralized, guys. Your business has nothing to do with your 401k, your house, your car, etc., etc. You do not want to put those things at risk against a business. Now, guys, remember, when you borrow money on the commercial side, you are building your business credit, which is extremely valuable. Building business credit is just like building personal credit. It's going to open up a whole new world of opportunities for your business as it grows. It's going to open up a whole new roster of money that is available to your business because you're building business credit. We here at Cloud Funding would love to continue to work with you as your business grows and provide that money for you at different stages as your business grows. But when you're building business credit, guys, at the beginning, you're opening those doors. At the beginning, there's a little bit of a risk factor you have to pay up front. That risk factor goes away as you continue to prove that you're a competent business person. It is very important to build business credit. And one of the best ways of building business credit is by borrowing money on the commercial side. Not only that, there is no prepayment penalty for business equipment leases. You are able to pay off your business equipment lease/loan anytime you want without penalty. It's the same price whether you pay it upfront or not. Now, a traditional loan from a credit union or bank, there is going to be a prepayment penalty. They are getting that money you owe them whether you like it or not. Let's say business is going good. You don't need the payment anymore. You can get rid of it. move on. Oh, well, guess what? You're going to have to pay a penalty if you want to do that. On top of what you owe them. They're not going to cut you a discount for paying early off the interest they're expecting you to pay them. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Section 179 tax break. How would you like the government to pay 30% of the cost of your business equipment? Well, it's not too good to be true. It's something called the Section 179 tax break. Essentially, the way it works is you can write off the entire cost of your business equipment while you're making payments for it. This write-off savings oftentimes results in a negative interest rate on your business equipment lease. When adjusted for inflation, oftentimes you end up paying less than the cost of the equipment initially. If you are planning on running a business and need financing for your business equipment, one of the main benefits and one of the most amazing and unique benefits of business equipment leasing is the Section 179 tax credit. We have a very seamless application process. The first step is to fill out our one-page credit application. This can be done online via our website, mycloudfunding.net. Once we receive your credit application, we will do a soft pull on your credit through Experian. And once we have some more information about your credit profile, we'll give you a call to interview a little bit about your startup business idea. From there, we'll have all the information we need to go ahead and submit your request to our network of banks. Generally speaking, we will hear from our network of banks within 24 hours. They will either come back to us with an approval or some additional documents may be needed depending on the amount of money and type of money requested. Simple things like bank statements. Of course, we'll also need a sales quote for the equipment that you plan to purchase for your business. Once we have an approval from one of the banks in our network of banks, we will send you a simple 3-page contract, which we'll need you to sign and return to us, as well as a copy of your ID and the banking information for where you'd like to make your payments out of. From there, we pay the vendor of your business equipment and they deliver the equipment to you. Congratulations, you are now officially in business. Here at MyCloud Funding, not everyone is a good fit. We understand that. We appreciate that and we respect you no matter where you get your money from. Running a business is hard. It takes a lot of bravery to go out there and start a business, and we wish you luck no matter who you get your financing from. That being said, let me tell you a little bit about who we are a good fit for. Now, who this is for is somebody who can use this to make more money. A savvy business person. We provide you the money to buy the equipment. You use that equipment to make money for your business more than the payment is for the equipment. You easily make that payment. You continue to make money with your business equipment because you have a well thought out, well fleshed out business plan. You already know the numbers. You already know you will make more than enough money to afford this payment. You already understand that the equipment is well worth it in terms of making money for your business. You already understand that you will get a steep discount via the Section 179 tax credit from the government. If you understand that you can make more money than your monthly payment and you can afford the monthly payment and look at it as an overhead cost, as just another cost like employees or anything else, even keeping the lights on, this is for you. Now, this won't work for you if you're someone who wants to call us and argue about interest rates. This won't work for you if you're someone who wants to call us and comparison shop with your credit union or local bank loan and this business equipment lease. As a startup business, you will have to pay a risk factor up front. Startup businesses are very risky. Many of them fail. There is a risk factor that you have to pay up front, and that is expressed as something called a rate factor. This is the price of the money. It is not an interest rate. There is an interest rate calculated within a rate factor, but it is compiled of a few different variables, such as time in business, the type of business, and the type of equipment that you are attempting to purchase. Some equipment is riskier than others as far as the way the banks look at it. So that's why we ask you not to call and argue with us about interest rates. There really is no such thing as an interest rate when you borrow this type of money, especially as a startup business. We are looking for people who are prepared to pay that risk factor up front, like we say in this video, guys. We can provide the funds. We can provide the funds at a reasonable rate. You provide the business success and the ability to make that payment every month, just like an overhead expense. It's very simple how it works. If you understand all those things and you're ready to get money very easily in a simple, streamlined process to make your business dreams a reality, to make yourself more money, then we would love to help you here at Cloud Funding. Contact us at mycloudfunding.net. Give us a call or email here at Cloud Funding. One of our reps will be happy to help you get the process started and get you that money to achieve your business dreams.